A Calgary mother is going public this morning after she says she was humiliated for breastfeeding her newborn in an insurance office. Her story is raising new uncertainty about the legal rights of women nursing in public. Rosa Marcatelli investigates this morning.
This mom of three has never given a second thought to breastfeeding her kids until her insurance adjuster tried kicking her out of a meeting in his office for doing just that. Her husband and young daughters were also in the room.
I was really embarrassed, feeling like I don't have control over my own life, over my son's life.
She was recording the meeting to have a record of the claim. The adjuster walks back into the room after getting paperwork and realizes the baby is nursing under his mother's headscarf.
At this point, Ashley, I do have to ask you to leave the room because this is making me very uncomfortable. Okay. This is a professional environment, and it feels like this is particularly unnecessary at this point in time.
So I can't record, but you can record?
No. It appears that you're breastfeeding your child in front of me. So you're kicking me
out because I'm breastfeeding while I'm covered.
Does it surprise you that in 2018 we're having this conversation?
Absolutely. Absolutely, yeah. I thought we were past this.
This breastfeeding advocate believes this is a clear case of discrimination.
Well, people should know that they can't discriminate on the basis of sex, just like they can't discriminate on the basis of color or religion or any other, part of our humanity.
But this academic says the laws aren't clear enough. While a few provinces do have breastfeeding discrimination in their policies, it's not specifically mentioned in any human rights laws. Instead, it's assumed to be covered under sex discrimination. Umar Kodai says that needs to change.
Mothers will know that they're protected under the Human Rights Act, the relevant one that applies to their situation. But in addition to that, it gives good guidance for employers as well as service providers that they too have certain obligations that they have to meet.
The rules are also unclear on what is a private versus public area, according to lawyer Barbara Green, who specializes in human rights complaints.
What is ambiguous here is this is a private office of what appears to be a public service provider.
After Go Public contacted the Alberta Motor Association, a private insurance company, it apologized to Spencer Cosgrove, saying, "We believe fundamentally in the importance of this issue and unequivocally support a woman's right to breastfeed at any time and at any place of her choosing." It also says it's now reviewing its employee education programs and policies. Rosa Marcatelli, CBC News, Calgary.